how to use our mind mapping magnets in 5 easy steps. 1. Find a suitable surface magnets will stick to. If this is a wipeable surface, that would be ideal, as you can then add titles, etc. 2. Write out your various tasks and ideas on the different magnets. This can be done laying flat on a table, where you should be able to write a lot neater than writing directly onto the whiteboard if you're not used to writing in that position. 3. Stick them up on the board. Use the strings to connect links ideas. You can add directional arrows where you want to show that one thing needs to be done before a particular other thing. And add various symbols for the most important, urgent or happy tasks. 4. Take a step back, look at the mind map you've produced, and if you realise things should be in a different position, rearrange everything. 5. As the project progresses, use the magnets to track progress and any changes of plan.